Yo, what's happening, guys? We're back for another tutorial. This time I'm going to be showing you how I make thumbnails for my videos. I've got two different websites I like to use for doing this. So I'm just going to open up here, and the first one I'm going to show you is called Render Forest. Render Forest is something I actually use a lot for work purposes, but it's great for doing all this sort of stuff. So we're going to go into, basically you want to go up here and you want to go to designs. And then you want to just type in here, you can see I've done it already, YouTube thumbnail, and click search. Then it's going to bring up all these different options for YouTube thumbnails. So in this particular video, I want to use something similar to the one that I used in a previous video. So I'm gonna use this one. So then in here, we're going to type in so, and all you do is basically just now change the text. How to, and then just center it so it's in there, and then we're going to so-called become. Video editing pro in minutes. Okay, now obviously I realize that that is currently too big, so we're gonna just scale this back and make it smaller. So you just gotta create that and make that bigger, and that's it. I mean, that's one way of doing it. Then you can change this image here. Now you can either search for video edit. Yeah, it's bringing up some video editing images. So that's pretty cool. We can use that as a video editing image, and then boom, that's it. That is super simple. I've created that. How to become a video editing pro in minutes. Simple, nice and easy. You just click download, high quality JPEG. Now obviously this is a paid subscription site. All these sites are nowadays. You might find some at free on an app, but obviously with the apps and anything that's free, you're going to be limited. But there's a lot more that you can do on this website, which I'll show you on another day. So you can create videos, you can create intros, you can do all sorts of stuff. So now I've got that. All I want to do then is just make sure I've just copied that into... sorry, all I need to do now is go over to my YouTube channel where I've currently got a video that's uploading. Okay, and then I want to go and edit type. Oh, sorry, I'm going to click on it, and then I want to upload my thumbnail. And then we just go straight to my downloads, YouTube, thumbnail, open, boom, that is now landed there. I click save, and that video now should then have my thumbnail on it. I think the video is still processing because I've literally only just uploaded it. Hey, there you go. So it's now there. So if I go over to my YouTube channel now, there it is, and it's similar to the one that I made before. Become a video making pro in minutes, and genuinely that video is a good watch because it shows you how easy using that software it is to create videos. It's so good, really, really like it. But yeah, that's how I make my thumbnails. If you want to go for a different site that probably a little bit less commercial looking, you can try Placeit.net. And Placeit.net again has got some bloody awesome stuff in here. So you can go over to here, you can go design, same kind of principle. And you just type in here YouTube thumbnail, and then that's going to bring up a whole bunch of different types of YouTube thumbnails which I've used on this site before. Again, I do a lot of this stuff for work, so I have to use all of these. But what I would do is I would just pick one that you like and then just stick with that one. Again, you can make videos and all sorts on this website. It's great. So yeah, it works in exactly the same principle as the other one. You just go in, change the photos, etc, etc, etc. Jobs are good, and that's all you need to do. So I'm gonna need one for this video, so we can, let's just go down here and we'll just put, let's just choose, let's have a look what we got on the next page. Anything sort of that one literally says thumbnail tutorial. So then I just go in here and I change this to super easy. Click download, and that will then be the thumbnail to this particular video that you're watching right now. So that's it, guys. Super easy. Again, I hope that all these tutorials that I'm making are ridiculously easy for you to follow. You may already know some of this stuff, you might not, but either way, I'm giving you some different options. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you again for another video very, very soon.